What is up, YouTube? Today I'll be showing you how to create your very own Minecraft Bukkit server. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up your Internet Explorer and you want to go to dl.bukkit.org/download/craftbukkit. And you're going to come up with this list of the latest builds. For this tutorial, I'm going to click this one right here, Minecraft Beta Build 1.5.2. So I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to click download and keep, and I'm just going to download that. And once this is finished downloading, you're going to want to drag it onto your desktop. Just like this. You want to drag that onto your desktop, and then you want to create a folder. New folder. You can name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it Minecraft Server. And once that's done, you want to drag this right into your folder. And then you want to open your folder up. And you want to click this. I'm going to rename this to keep it simple. I'm going to rename it to craftbukkit. And then you want to double click on it. And then it's going to start to download your server files that you're going to need to run your server. As you can see, we got the server properties right there. And then once that's done, you want to open up your server properties. As you can see, there's the server IP, the port. But before we edit any of that, we need to create a run.bat. So I'm going to go to this server I already have created here. And I'm going to click edit on this. This is the code you guys are going to need to run your server. So I'm going to copy that. I'll leave that in the description so you guys can have it. And you want to create a new file. Paste this code in there and you want to save as. I'm going to save this into my server folder, Minecraft server. I'm going to name it run. You guys can name it start, anything you like. And you have to select all files. And you want to put .bat at the end of it because it's a batch file. And you want to click save. So then once that's done, you guys want to find out what your IP is for your computer. So you want to open up your command prompt, your CDM. So once your command prompt is open, you guys want to type in ipconfig and you want to press enter. And then it's going to start to load your IP configuration settings. And then once that's loaded, you guys want to scroll up to where it says wireless local area connection adapter Wi-Fi, and this is the IP you want right here. IPv4 address. Mine is 172.16.0.3. So after you find out what that is, you want to open up your server properties, and you want to type that in where it says server IP. So 172.16.0.3 is mine. And you want to click save. So for the server port, you need to make sure that that's the port you have on your router settings. So you want to go to routerlogin.net, because now I'm going to show you guys how to port forward so you don't have to use Hamachi. So you want to go to your router settings, type in your password and username and stuff, and then once you're in here, you want to go to port forwarding / triggering. I have Netgear, so yours may be a little different, but you just want to go there. And then once you're here, you want to create a service name. As you can see, I already have one. It's Minecraft. My port is 7799. My server IP address is the one that's in the command prompt. So since my port is 7799, I want to put in here 7799, and you want to click save. So then once that's done and this is all set, you guys want to actually, that's pretty much it. Now you can just run your server. Click run and it should work. As you can see, the server is loading up. Anyway, you guys can let that finish and then your server will be up. But for this example, that's pretty much it. That server IP that's there, that is not the IP that you're going to hand out to people so they can connect to your server. So you want to go to Google or your search engine, you want to look up what's my IP address. And you want to click enter. As you can see, my IP address is 76.24.14.42. So you just want to copy your IP address that's there. And then you want to open up Minecraft. And then once Minecraft is open, you guys want to go to multiplayer and you want to add your server in there. So multiplayer, add server. I'll leave that Minecraft server. So you want to paste the IP that you got in from the Google search and you want to put in your port at the end. Mine is 7799, so put that in, click done. As you can see, it says it's not up. That's because I didn't click run, but after you guys are done, you just put up your server and it should work. So that's pretty much it. Comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.